Yeah. I don't really see how you could open a Superior Court case docket without having a Superior Court case hearing. Yes. Now, I think I can sue you for this. And then there was the default dissolution of marriage. Right. I think when you start with Superior Court case, yeah, you can't go back and forth between District Court, Superior Court, District Court, Superior Court. Yeah. Now, I know, okay. This motioning of Brent Basden for the default dissolution of marriage, yes. When I responded within the 90 days, yeah. um, why is it not on? Well, was it a Superior Court case hearing where you gave her the emergency ex parte hearing of the Superior Court case motion for default a dissolution of marriage? Because as a father, in fact, as a citizen, yes. As an individual that's concerned about my own financial well being, yes. As somebody that would like to have you put in prison for the rest of your life, I'd like you to remove your fraudulent dissolution of marriage. Now, I think that when you petition for dissolution of marriage, yes, in a superior court, yes, there should be a superior court hearing, yes, but there is no superior court hearing. Why Judge Ken Williams would not put the Superior Court hearing on there? Yes. Now, there was a motion hearing. Yes. There must have been a Superior Court hearing. Yes. Because this is a Superior Court case summary. Yes. How is it possible that Court Commissioner Brett Basden decided to have a motion hearing? Yes. On the emergency motion for default dissolution of marriage. When I responded within the 90 days. And as we look through the actual calendar, yes, when you arrested me and served me at the same time the dissolution of marriage, yes, and there was no actual motion hearing to open up the actual Superior Court case, are you sure that it was a fraudulent serving of a dissolution of marriage where there was no legal right to open a Superior Court case docket? Because there was no Superior Court case hearing. Now, I know you're the judge, but when I really, really started thinking about it, so I think that you cannot open a Superior Court case docket, yes, without a Superior Court case hearing, yes, in answer to the actual petition for dissolution of marriage. And you sure the fuck can't have a district court right now. Now, I told you it was contempt of court to motion for default dissolution of marriage. Yes. When I had responded well within the 90 days allowed by law. Yes. And consider you arrested me on that weekend and I was arraigned on a Tuesday. Yes. That did give me a few extra days because you moved me at the same time as serving me. Yes. But the serving me of any court documents for dissolution of marriage, yes, without there being docketed an actual dissolution of marriage hearing means that the whole fucking thing was fraudulent right now. Now, this could be one of those very expensive lawsuits that I keep mentioning in these emails and videos. Yes. I'm thinking, yes, that you had no legal right to open an actual case number 12-3-002117-3, yes, without a Superior Court case hearing, yes. And then it would have been fraud, yes, to serve me, yes, all these documents that were petitioned to the court. Now, Sheriff, when I told you I wanted this dissolution of marriage removed, yes. This hearing summary from the Washington State Court website, there should have been, yes, on May 24th of 2012, yes, marriage of Heidi Lee Budnick versus Paul Chad Budnick, but it's not there. And then there should have been, a marriage of Heidi Lee Budnick versus Paul Chad Budnick, another Superior Court case hearing on August 27th of 2012. Yes, but it's not there. Now, this September 4th of 2012, yes. Notice for trial setting, conference setting, hearing, yes. Now, there was a declaration of the non-biological daughter, yes, that you did not have any right to admit as evidence without me as the adverse party getting a copy of it before it happened. Then there was a proposed parenting plan, yes. Child support, child support, child support. Oh, motion and declaration for a temporary order, yes. Then there was a notice of hearing, motion for temporary order on October 5th, yes. And then settlement conference setting action. Now, where exactly was the motion hearing for? See, on 10/5, yes, there was a motion hearing for Superior Court Commissioner Brent Baisden. Yeah, there was a motion hearing there. But notice, okay, there was a notice for trial setting. Yeah. Motion, there was a notice of hearing. Yes. And then there was a settlement conference setting hearing for December 31st. Yes, or right here on 12/31 of 2012, marriage of Paul C. Budnick. But I don't see that on the actual docket. Now, can you have a hearing that's not It shows that there was a hearing, yes, but the actual Superior Court case docket does not show that there was a hearing. Now, how can there be from number 37 to 38? Yes, not a motion hearing. Yes. But the state of Washington shows that there was a motion hearing. Exactly how do you do that? Now, I think now you don't have two different dockets that you're working from, do you? This is our document and this is their document. See, this hearing, yes, on December 31st of 2012, yes. It shows it as being here, yes. But this actually shows trial clerk setting, yes, on 1/3 of 2013. Now, I don't see that in the Superior Court case summary. So, well, could you explain why the state of Washington shows it there? Yes, but it doesn't show in the Superior Court case summary. You would have thought that as a party to each and every one of these motion hearings, yes. See, this is a hearing search results. Yeah, these are motion hearings. Yes. See, I wasn't a resident on July 22nd. Right. I wasn't a resident on August 12th of 2011. And then I was on trial. Yes. Now, I noticed when you reissued the protection order, yes, on May 31st, it wasn't a Superior Court case reissuing of protection orders. No, no. You don't put the first petition action for the motion hearing on May 31st of 2012, where you had a Superior Court case motion hearing, but it is not included in the state of Washington's docketed motion. Well, how do you do that? Ouch! Now, I'm wanting to sue this county. Yes. Jefferson County, how are you? I want to sue you too. Okay. And then there's each and every county of the state of Washington. Yeah. I emailed all the sheriffs in each county and I went through the court directory of all of those that are employed as judges. District and Superior Court judges? Does anybody know which of the motion hearings goes on the Superior Court case docket? How the fuck did you have